nouns have three genders: feminine, masculine, and neutral. Now, in English, masculine nouns refer to words for a male figure. Let's say, like, for example, man, boy, actor. These are masculine nouns. And feminine nouns refer to female figures, such as woman, girl, actress. Therefore, these are feminine nouns. Now, in Croatian, gender is defined by the meaning and the form of the word. So this is how it works. Don't forget, this is Croatian. There are exceptions. There will always be exceptions. But here is the general rule. So feminine nouns in singular end in a. They end in a. Like majka, prijateljica, mačka, banka, jabuka. Masculine nouns end in a consonant. Any consonant, Croatian specific letters included. So we have prozor, hotel, dan, kamion i kuhar. They all end in a consonant. Neutral noun. For neutral noun in singular, we have two options. They end in o, like ljeto or jelo or vino, but they can also end in a Croatian e, like more or dvorište. So two options for neutral nouns. Plural. How do we make plural? For feminine nouns, we have to drop that final a and use Croatian e instead, or English e. So the plural of majka would be majke, mother, mothers. The plural of prijateljica is prijateljice, dropping a and using e instead. Female friends. Mačka is changing to mačke. Banka, banke. And jabuka, jabuke. Masculine nouns, we are not dropping anything. We are leaving the word as it is and just adding i. So prozor becomes prozori, window, windows. Hotel, hoteli. Dan, day, dani, days. Kamion, kamioni. I kuhar, kuhari. That's it. Just adding I for plural. And finally, remember, for neutral nouns, we had two options for singular. Now we have only one option for plural. So neutral nouns in plural end in a. So ljeto, ljeta. Jelo, jela. Vino, vina. More, mora. I dvorište, dvorišta. So you probably notice that, feminine nouns in singular and in a exactly the same as neutral nouns in plural. So if you don't know the singular form of the noun, if you don't know that Micah is, feminine singular, there is no way for you to know that it's not neuter plural. So this is slightly confusing, knowing the difference between, knowing which is which, basically. That's that.